What's up guys? Welcome to Genius Cluster. Today I'm going to tell you very interesting features for iPhone, especially 11, iPhone 11 Max Pro. So normally we forgotten our password. We cannot remember the password pins. So that's why I'm just preparing this video for you. It will really help you. And most of the iPhone users, they don't know this hidden feature on it. So I'll tell you. Once you can go to the option, once you can go to the app which is Notes, this one, you can click on it and just create a new notes on the bottom on your left. You can find this make a new note. Click on it, yes, and here you can type anything, because I just copied some important things which is really helpful for you, like Facebook ID password, email ID password, online banking. Normally we cannot remember the password, or ATM pins, credit card pins. We don't remember with the card number wise. Sometimes we are having different banks product, different credit card, different accounts, so we cannot remember. So you can make it like this in this format, and let me tell you how you can lock it. This lock only a user can open it, no one can else except you. So that's why I made this video for you. So click on the button on the right top side. This is a download or forward. Yeah, here you have a lot of options. Below that you can find this note, lock note. Click on it, lock note. It will be asking you a password. You can set any password like 1 2 3 4 to verify this one. 1 2 3 4. Again, any hint you can make it, like I'll make a hint like a number. Yes, and you can use the face ID as well. Remove the face ID if every phone is not that one compatible. So make it done. So here you can see this logo of notelock. So I'll show you how it looks like. So once you will click on it, it is unlocked. So make it lock like this. So once you will click on it, it will be asking like your note is locked. View the note, you have to enter the password. Except you, no one can open it. 1 2 3 4 here. So now it's so secure that how you can prepare, how you can save your password and your pin as well. So thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe Genius Cluster, and thank you for watching our videos. For more videos, please click on the bell icon, like and subscribe. Thank you.